guys, so this was an amazing event and I hope we all learned a lot. Coming down to Web3, so 2008 was the launch of Bitcoin, I guess, and not many were aware about Bitcoin, and many people lost the opportunity. The guys who were smart at that time took the opportunity and are right now are billionaires, I guess. So, question is, are we following the trend right now? Let me ask you all a question. How much of you are aware about meme coins? Honestly. Alright, that's great. And as Shana talked about Pump Fund, Ayush also talked about Pump Fund. How many are you guys aware about Pump Fund? Awesome. Let me tell you one quick story. So, 2014 January, Noah Allen Dillon, developers, young, in their young 20s, took this initiative. They made Pump Fund. They made Pump Fund because until now, creating a token, crypto token, was more technical. Right? It requires so much of technical knowledge, so much of complexities, and not many were able to do this. Pump Fund made guys ability to create their own token on meme coins. And you won't believe me, I don't know how much you guys are aware about. Many guys made hundreds, thousands, millions of dollars in a day. I know one friend, Jackson Jasinowski. He's from LA, California. He's also a mentor. I've watched him creating a meme coin on a cat token, Kimi, and that token raised $1 million in just a matter of 4 hours, right in front of me. Why so? Right, because meme coin is now a trend. It has in 1 year, and 1 year it has made meme coin has made these 3 youngsters millionaires. So now Pump Fund is doing meme coins. What is the next thing we can do? What's the next thing we can start? So as Ayush told, like you guys are all from the beginning, and I really appreciate you everyone. This shows how determined you guys are. So 2 major things. First, ability to take risk and confidence to take initiative. So we are a team of 5 to 6 developers. Single year graduate. Some are even graduating. Some are even doing anything. We developers took one initiative. We took a risk to create a new trend after meme coin. A new trend after meme coin would be the music coin. For example, this is the website called SongGPT. So if go to create song. So from this website, you guys can create any kind of AI song. You guys are all aware about LLMs, right? ChatGPT, Claude 3.7, Sonnet, and Grok 3, right? What does it provide over NLP? That's natural language, the ability to talk like a real human. And I don't know how many guys are aware about the trend in AI song generation. Right? There are so many platforms which right now provide AI song generations, but they are at the level what NLP is, which is very basic. Just give it prompt, it will give you a song. What we did here, we included natural language so that you can talk like you're actually talking to a real music producer. Her name is Lyra. You can just call, hey Lyra, make this song on Shada, make this song on Ayush, make this song on this event which we have been participating, and make it. So she will generate a song. You don't like the song? Ask it. Okay, now make it in Hindi. Okay, change the genre. So you have complete freedom of creating AI songs. Additionally, now where Web3 part comes in, now go to my songs. Now you guys have power to create your own song into a crypto token. Click on crypto token. No? Yeah. Click on crypto token. Yeah. So now this works on Solana chain. You need to connect your Solana wallet. Connect. Right. Okay, go ahead. Right now what is not configured, but now you will be, there will be a form where you need to provide a ticker. You guys are aware about ticker? Right? Just take ticker, you provide your token. And once you provide ticker to your song and pay with soul, like for example, I would love to invest 0.01 soul in this song. No, it won't hallucinate. Even if it hallucinates, you can correct it. Hey, don't hallucinate. Just make the song for what I'm asking for. That's the power of natural language actually. So, right, you can just create token on this song, and once you create token, once you make it soul, your song will get featured to the leader. Now go to leader mode. Now these are few songs which some of our users have made public. Now, what you can do this? See the song number one trending. That's Victory Anthem Kohli's century. It was right after the India victory over Pakistan. So we made a song on it, and we launched a token on it. And if you click on buy, it will redirect us to Pump Fund, and we can start trading on it. Additionally, when you are trading on Pump Fund, you can just play your song. So, what additional benefit it provides over meme coin? Meme coin is just a virtual belief. There's nothing actually happening in a meme coin. It's just when so much people start talking about a meme coin and start including your GIFs in their community and all, it starts getting pumped. But in music coins, you can actually play those songs. You can actually play the belief. For example, the controversies, right? The America named Gulf of Mexico to Gulf of America. And there were so many controversies around it. So what we can do is, we can just create a song on it, supporting Mexicans, supporting Americans. Either way, it will resonate with some audience. And if we have meme coin on that particular song, then we have opportunity for that song to get pumped. Now come back to the website. Now, here comes a leaderboard. So, our objective from this leaderboard is, how many of you guys are aware about Billboard Hot 100? No one? Okay, that's awesome. So, Billboard Hot 100 is the top 100 songs trending in the world. But very soon, AI songs will start gonna come in that list as well. So, what if we create our own Billboard Hot 100 of AI songs, which are tokenized? So now just imagine the potential of the growth we can have here. If Bitcoin can actually make you millionaires, why cannot a music coin can? Like, look at the sentiment, right? So that's what our initiative is. We are 3 months in, and that's not all. For this initiative, we are coding it live, 24/7. And we have challenge, we have taken the challenge, we will code it till May 19, 90 days. Would you like to go to YouTube, somebody? We believe in our product. We believe that we are giving values to the our audience, because right now you still listen music, right? Music created by other content creators, music created by celebrities, music created by singers, and you are consuming their content, making them millionaires. What are you getting in the return? Right? What you are getting nothing in return except some sentiment, some emotional attachment. But what if you can create those songs yourself? And what if you can earn money from your song? So that's what our mission is. Just go to live section. So you all guys can just go to SongGPT and watch us code live. This is my room, this is my team. We coded live 24/7. YouTube, X, Twitch, LinkedIn, and we have a Telegram community for PM for dial. So that's what we are building, and that's how much we are passionate for it. So, anyone feel like to question something? I would be really, please go ahead.
Which underlying model you are using to create these credits?
Sorry?
Which model you are using to generate those songs?
Okay, so Let's start with how LLM works, right? Computer doesn't understand any language except binary 0 and 1. So in LLM, what we do is we convert those English text into vectors, numerical vectors. That's 0 and 1. So what we are doing is we are using one arbitrary layer to convert English into vectors which are understandable by AI. In large cluster of those text embedded is called LLM. So music itself is a language. Musical notes, how much higher a note is, how much down the note is, right? So our challenge was how we can tokenize musical notes and how we can use music itself as a language. Can we? So we use lots of songs. There is one thing in ML, technique in ML called data arbitration, right? And data augmentation. So we use copyright-free songs. We create more songs from it, and the more AI songs we create, we again retrain them in a model to create more AI songs. And this loop of retraining, and data augmentation led us to this song generation model.
So you train your own model.
Yes.
But let's say a copyrighted song from which you are generating, right?
Yeah.
They may be like 1 lakh.
There is no proprietary song.
You said you were.
I said we use copyright-free songs like the NCS, for example, as our base models, base data set, and then we create songs from it. Then the songs we create, we use that as data augmentation and create more songs from it.
There used to be a pattern to generate that song, right? So would that be a similar pattern to generate those songs? Because you are training on that same data again.
Excellent question. So now this another term in ML or AI, which is called data variability, where we induce errors intentionally in a data set to create variation in the song so that there is no overfitting case in a model. So for example, what we do is we also take some non-popular songs and we go across languages. Right now, SongGPT can even create songs in Bhojpuri. It can even create songs in Korean. It can even create songs in Japanese. So it was a step which we took. This model training took us lots of money. Then creating a platform took us 6 months. So like this, we created our data set. We first collected and then we created our data set and then we retrained based upon user inputs and all. So that's how we came down to our current model. Sorry?
I did not understand the tokenomics of your project. I mean, I create a song.
Yeah.
Okay. Then it gets. I get tokens or.
No, you won't get token. See, you can change this platform. Look, go back to SongGPT. I'm not sure if I can play audio in it. Can I? So you can completely use this platform as a Spotify, where you can create your own songs. But you have option to make a song into a token. It's optional. You can pay Soul as much as you want. We have subscription models. We provide you credits. For example, you start with 100 few credits.
Okay, so to generate that song, I have to buy credits from you, right?
Either you have to buy credits or you can refer to your friends. Yeah. So this was one song which was which I made from India or Pakistan. Also do one thing, go to explore, go to search Bhojpuri. Okay, not this one. Play this one.
मुस्कान कभी है
use AI. Right? Now you option to tokenize the song. Then check with your friends. Either you can buy credits to make this song, or you can put your friends and bring it. That's what I'm saying. Also, the okay, look to one thing. What's the name, brother? Sorry? Abhiraj. Okay, Dhruv, give it a prompt. Give prompt in Hindi. हमारे साथ अभिराज हैं. अभिराज.
You can use voice feature also.
ABHI RAG. हमारे साथ अभिराज हैं. Also, Ankit, please come forward.
मराठी में भी बदला है भाई.
We will shape device application. We will check it on the Android application. And we will present your online application. iOS is like coming up very soon. Yeah, we are still testing iOS in internal testing. We have some like more security walls. But right now we are Android, and you can please install the application. Yeah. Yeah, scheme also scheme is just a panel. So, any more questions? Abhiraj, I hope you like the song. On every query, you get 2 songs. Version 1, version 2, same lyrics, just a different vibe. Yeah.
को मराठी चाहिए था लगता है.
So credits gets cuts for both or only one?
10 credits for 2 songs. Yeah. Right now, also that's not at all. I just showed an example of creating songs from lyrics. You can create songs from images. You can create songs from videos. You can create songs from Excel, document, PDF, Word, audio. In your mobile application, you can just open the mic and speak anything you want, and you will create a song.
Just take that text and convert it into song.
Yeah.
Train on that.
Yes. Yes. There are multiple here. It's called systematic agentic development.
ग्रुप में भेज दो.
So there are several here in this agentic AI. AI agent are in trend, right? So that's what we are utilizing. We are always matching up that trend. So any more questions? Any more? Right? Okay, awesome. That was all. Please install our application and watch us live coding. You can join my live stream and give a genuine feedbacks.
You can share it in the group itself. Share with your name and whatever you started.
Yeah, sure. We would love that. Thank you so much.